Mix, and on the mix today we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about Ashanti and the situation with the eviction notice that he has received. Now, she's stating that she had spoken to Janet before, and she has told her that the situation may arise, so she should have been very careful. However, she's saying it seemed to be an ongoing case in the court, and in the laws of Florida, you are not able to remove someone from your house, especially if they're receiving mail there, unless you go through the court system. So she's talking about this and more. Go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Uno take up this tree of them. You see like how me went take up this tree from half of the road? This tree knows say me a bad girl. We take him out. So he can't stay there. You understand? No sheriff. We don't need sheriff. We don't need police. We don't need nothing. Pop, get out. Now. Have to call your friend them. Yes, you have to call them. Tell them, say, come buy me one ticket. Because, you know, me go play the voice note. You don't remember the voice note them? You don't remember them? Say me now buy the ticket for you go home. Yes, me now buy you no ticket and you have to left right now. Me mean right now. No sheriff or no police or nobody not involved. No, we don't have that time to waste. But me want Janet. Me call Janet as a sister. Me say, Janet, you have pitney. You cannot pick up them a stray dog and put them in your house. Because bad things they go happen. Me say in Florida. Let me tell you the laws and rules in Florida. You pick up this stray them and then come there, they don't have nowhere they go. They not come out. You make them stand there for 1 week. Hey, you make them take letter there. Hey, you give them one key. Me sorry for you. You have to bring them to court, because when you call the police or the sheriff in where we live, where Ashanti'S is the sheriff. Okay? When you call the sheriff, then say they can't do nothing, they can't do nothing. You see, friend, they can't do nothing. You have to go to court to get them out. When you go to the court to get them out, you have to file, spend money, like about $300 and something. I think it's more. No quote me penny. To get them out, you have to file to remove them from your house. You have to go to court. When you go to court, then go give you one date. When they give you the date and you show up at the date, then go give you another date. Him file that Janet can take him out, then you have to give him time. You have to give him time. So there's another court date now. He have to go to get the time. So me here, because me not see it yet, say have until the 29. That means they then go a court and everything. If the 29 catch him in them, me don't know about the 29 for if at the second court date or at the date when they have to leave. Me no know, because me no see documents or nothing yet to know exactly what it is. But if it's the 29, he have to leave. There's nothing nobody can do. He couldn't go back or file one other extension till he fought. The court is going to file and send the sheriff to put him out panning one seed bag one have. The one seed bag one have. The 29 is tomorrow. The 29 is tomorrow? Well, I don't know if it's a court date or a day when the sheriff is going to come for you. Because the sheriff is going to give you 24-hour notice to evacuate the premises. Thank God me in the court system, so me know. The sheriff, they go give you the sheriff is going to give you 24 hours to move. But Janet, here is where I come in, Janet. Janet, look how me beg you for help me, Janet. Me say, Janet, Me have the case, you have the money. Remember me tell you this some time ago, you know, Janet. Me said, Janet, we can make him move out in 24 hours. There is so many things I could file against him, and he has to move immediately. Immediately. So much, including domestic violence. Including domestic violence. But Janet not listening to me. Janet, look what me they tell you, say, the man they come to take your house. Janet, be prepared. Be prepared, because Janet, apart from him, pull you down till all of your blood come out in your face, Janet. Janet, in they go nasty you up in a social media. Janet, you know, have to go come to some compromising. Me no know, but the compromising where you have to come to, Janet. Do not make him stay in your house. Because it's tomorrow the 29th. He have to left there tomorrow, because me sure no one court date to no have tomorrow. You don't have a court date tomorrow. Tomorrow is when the sheriff don't come take out him backside. And me one homeless. Wait there. You know, wait there 1 minute. Yes, him put his hand on Janet because him is a domestic violencer. Me no know what he call it. Him is a beater. Him is a human beater, human trending. But he look at me, he say me a man. You will always say, you the girl like I say, you the wear the pants. You the girl like I say, you a man. Yes, me have seed hide. Me have seed. Me no know what to do with myself. Me say, me hungry. Hey, me hungry. You better put money in a desire cash up tonight, yeah. Me say, hey, tomorrow Friday. Me have to go and market tomorrow and stuff like that. You want to hear the story? You want to get the story? Oh yes. Janet can't sue me, you know. Janet can't sue me. I would have glad if Janet carry me going to the court. Me would have glad because when I put Janet and Ashanti in the witness chair, the judge is going to cry shame on me. Me say, tonight and a free night. Tonight is not free night. You see, no found no drunk crowd out there walk and beg more than me. You no beg more than me. And never rejoice over someone downfall. Oh, peace, peace, and love. Me they rejoice. Me get for me downfall. You never will see when them a knock pan me grave. You never see when them a knock pan. You never see when them a knock pan. But wait, peace and love. No make another comment. Please, me I beg you. Cause me not read all of your sitting, but me they see darkness right now. Me not fi rejoice. Lord Jesus, how that kick over. Me say, if I never went night, me would have put up one piece of bonfire out a door. Me not fi rejoice. Me not fi rejoice. Me 1 minute. Peace and love. Or whatever your name. Me 1 minute from start ball. Me 1 minute. 1 minute. For what Ashanti do to Bella, especially Bella, you go tell me? You go tell me? No for rejoice over somebody don't fall? Me say, if I went dead in dead, would I jump on the grave? Me don't have no high blood pressure. This is where, when you think you have pressure, you have to get it out. If you keep it inside of you, it lick you down. What you say me must do? No for rejoice? Me say, if me may have a spliff right now, me lighty. If me may have a spliff right now, me lighty. If me know when... You know what? Peace and love, come off on my platform. Come off. Come back in a different page. Come back in a different page. You know no peace and love. Peace and love, where? Me not for rejoice? Me say I want trip naked. I want me say. Me not for rejoice. After the boy thief out everything from down on me yard. After the boy disgrace me on social media. And carry me picnic come out and come disgrace him too. Guys, I got my Brazilian wax today. Oh Lord. I find a place where they do the Brazilian wax. Yes. Yes. You say clean? You don't want to see under there. You do not want to see under there. I got my Brazilian wax today, my dear. And while I'm having my Brazilian wax, I got a phone call. And when I get the phone call, I cried a little. You know why I cried? Because I said, mighty God, are you answering my prayer so fast? It was last night I take my pen and my paper and my Bible. Father God, you they answer my prayer so fast. Me say the whole of they go fall like a Titanic. The whole of they go down like a Titanic. Every single jack one of them. Me no trouble. None of them me don't trouble. And you go and sit there and tell me not to rejoice? Jesus Christ, I with the Bible there. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. You hold on. You hold on there. Where my glasses? Where my glasses there?